opportunity para sa DTI na ma-inform yung ating mga consumers about how we protect them in terms of knowing their consumer rights and responsibilities. So itong Consumer Welfare Month is a yearly event wherein ito yung nagsisilbing culminating activities ng DTI for all the support services, interventions in relation to consumer protection and welfare. So ang DTI, this year, we have the 2024 Consumer Welfare Month celebration. We expect all those who have supported DTI in its advocacy, lalo na yung mga stakeholders, yung youth sector, and other private sector na partners and collab namin for the consumer protection. So yung kanya-kanyang province, meron sariling activities to commemorate yung celebration ng Consumer Welfare Month. So they have quiz bee, they have also yung spoken poetry, and then this year we highlighted a little pageant for the consumer advocates, Miss Consumer Advocates 2024, just to highlight how they were engaged in line with consumer protection in their respective areas. So a project with the consumer organization in all the provinces. So may kanya-kanya silang mga leads, no, kung sino yung ipa-participate nila. So this year, we hope that we will move further our promotion of consumer welfare. And of course, we would like to also improve compliances of our establishments insofar as mandatory standards concerned, and compliance to all the regulatory fair trade laws. Kasi kailangan yung ating mga consumer maalam dito to protect their rights and responsibilities. Nakikita natin yan in terms of the Consumer Awareness Index na at the end of the year, nakukuha natin yun through survey. But based on data, references that we see, I think with all the campaigns and the consumer advocacy activities in DTI, nag-improve naman yung awareness and compliances of our establishment. Especially in Region 3, nag-improve yung consumer awareness. Hindi ko lang makuha yung exact rate kasi we have to get it on an annual basis. Pero nakikita namin yung improvement. We do have the partners kayong consumer organizations, kahit wala ang DTI but they're moving, no? Itong klase ng regional activity na ito yung nag-highlight ng engagement natin sa mga stakeholders and private sector.